What's up guys? Good morning. Welcome to another video of Shakima at home. And today I'm making some breakfast, some eggs.
Egg?
Yes, with vegetables.
Oh my gosh, I want to eat it. I want to eat the...
Can you put it back? Put back your vitamin.
Okay.
Okay. So here I have a pot already eaten with some vegetable oils inside it. So over here I have some white onion, some red peppers, and some spinach. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the onion and the pepper. Oh, and I have some tomato also inside it. So I add the onion, the peppers, the tomato to the pot, and I'm going to saute them. That smells so good, guys. So good. Let me turn the camera down so you guys can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to add me some complete seasoning to the vegetables there. I'm going to add some black pepper also to it. And I'm just going to saute everything like that to the pot. Then I'm going to add my spinach, my baby spinach also to it. So meanwhile, this is there sauteing a little bit like that. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to crack me 2 eggs inside the bowl. And the reason why I'm cracking the egg inside the bowl is because I'm going to take out the eye from the egg, because if the eye does Okay guys, so as you can see, my phone was ringing, so I have to stop. The eggs start to come together, so what I do, I just use a spoon and I push it back and forth, and I'm going to incorporate the veggies inside the egg now, just like that. Some people will call it scrambled egg and veggie. I don't know. Anything you call it, you can call it. And I just mix it up like so, like that, and that's it. My breakfast is finished. I like to do the eggs like a little bit longer because I want the eggs to be fully cooked. I don't like my eggs to be medium, to be sunny side up, to be medium well, or how they call it. I don't even remember how they call it. I like my eggs to be well done. My daughter likes sunny side up egg or over easy egg, but I like well done egg. You know, when you're back from Jamaica, you come from backyard, everything is well done from that Caribbean. We don't know nothing about where, medium, where, black, blue, sunny side up, none of that until we leave Jamaica and go into another country. So that is it. It's finished. So I'm just going to turn off the heat, get me a plate, and I'm just going to plate it up. And that's it. No egg, no bread, nothing, just the egg, just like this for my breakfast. Hope you like this video. Hope you tell a friend about us at Shakima at Home. Subscribe, drive the family if you have not as yet. And remember to put God first in everything you do. And that's it. And now for the taste test. You see, guys, look how it looks. Look how beautiful it is. You see that? Yes. And now for the taste test, let me bring my camera up. My head looking mad, but you know when you just wake. So this is it. It's so good. And this is the way how I love my egg, with a little vegetables inside it, a little green. You can put kale. You can put anything you want in yours. You can spice it up the way how you like it. Anyway, guys, let me go and finish to devour this food, and see you in the next video. I'm out. Okay, guys, so I see like the plate was missing something, so I went ahead and I add some fresh strawberry because I have some inside the fridge, and that's it. See, look how beautiful it is. Yeah, simple and easy for your breakfast and healthy. Felix come and Felix want to try some. Which one? Try some of the egg first. The egg is delicious. Blow it, pull it. Tell me how you love it. You love it? I got a thumbs up. So you're going to help mommy eat it? You want more?
No, yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yes, mommy?
Yes, mommy. Anna, let's try this one.
So good, right, Felix?